Assalamu alaikum everyone, we are Friends Code Consultants and we are back with another lecture of Learn Excel. So let me start with this file. We have already discussed the clipboard, font, alignment, number, style, cells and editing. So almost all of the groups in the home bar are discussed, It, apart from the things that are related to advanced Excel, which we will be discussing later on. So in today's lecture, I'm going to start with the insert bar in menu bar. Alright, so in insert bar, there are like pivot table, recommended pivot tables, tables, pictures, illustrations, add-ins, charts, tours, sparklines, filters, links, and symbols. So I'm going to go one by one with each of them. I'm going to leave the pivot table and recommended pivot table later on because we are going to do a special lecture for it because it requires some advanced skills and it's a very important Excel part. In today's lecture, I'm going to show you about the table. It's still a small lecture because I'm going to start the insert group in the menu bar with a simple table task. So let me start with it. Table. Okay, let me make a table. Serial number, name, class, subject, marks. You can make any table you want to. For example, I'm going to make a mark sheet. Alright, I'm gonna, let's merge it so it's simpler for you. And now, serial number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the names would be, for example, Shah, Afaq, Taha, Badr, and Mustafa. For example, they belong to class 1A, 2B, 3D, 4C, 5E, and they are appearing on subject science. And they got marks like, for example, 60, 55, 70, 90, and 95. I want to show them in the table, so I will select them all and I will go to this insert table, click it. The data I have selected, it will be shown here. Where is the data for the table? B2, B2, F8, F8. So the data I've selected will be shown here, and if I kept this, my table has headers ticked, it will tick the headers. It will make the headers in a format style. For example, let me show you. For example, let's skip the mark sheet one, and because it has margin center, my table is headers. As you can see, this bar now has headers and you can sort it, and filter is already applied to it. Alright, for example, if you want to straightly go to Shah, just click Shah. Okay, you will see that it belongs to serial number 1, name Shah, class 1A, science, and marks. Now, once you have selected it, it will also give you options for changing the table style. Once the table is selected, it will go to the design tab. It will show you different table tabs. You can select anyone which you like. So this is more or less the table lecture. This is very simple one. I wanted to start the insert in menu bar with a simple lecture. So I hope it's very fruitful for you. If you like our lecture, kindly like, subscribe, or share our page. Thank you so much.